welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this fun, fresh summer makeup look with faux freckles. So if you're interested in seeing how I created it, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my skin with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have been obsessed with this primer, you guys. It's great if you have oily skin. It does an amazing job at concealing your pores. It creates the perfect canvas for your foundation, and it's also super affordable. For foundation, I'm going in with the new Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation. I'm using two different shades, shades 3 and 4, to create my perfect match. And I feel like this is going to be my go-to foundation for the warmer summer months ahead. It's super lightweight. It feels like I'm not wearing anything on my skin. It's waterproof. It has a buildable medium coverage and also an SPF of 20 in it, which is perfect for summertime. I've absolutely been obsessed with this foundation. If you guys have not tried it, you need to check it out. For concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and I'm using a lighter shade than I normally use just to act as a highlight as well. So I'm just concealing my under eyes and then any redness in my skin, and also using it to highlight my forehead and the bridge of my nose and covering a couple blemishes that I have. To contour, I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty Contour Stick in Light. I've been really loving the formula of this contour stick. It's just so creamy and it blends so good. Starting with the concealer, I'm going to be blending all of that out with my favorite beauty sponge at the moment from Araceli Beauty. It's called the Bella Sponge. And after that's all blended out, I'm going to go into the contour and blend all that out as well. And of course I have to set everything, because if I don't, I am a hot, shiny mess by the end of the day, especially in the summertime. So I'm taking the Huda Beauty baking powder and just setting where my concealer was and pretty much just all over my face. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Dragon Beauty face palette, and I'm using the shade Femme just to bronze and contour a little bit, add some life back into this face. For blush, I'm using this pretty pink shade from Laura Mercier, and the shade is called Strawberry. I'm using the same shade from the face palette that I use as bronzer, and I'm just putting that in the crease of my eyes. I wanted this look to be not so heavy. I wanted it to be more like fresh and flirty for summer. So I'm using a brown liquid eyeliner to create a wing, and this one is from Tarte. It's called the Double Take Eyeliner. Now I'm gonna pop on some eyelashes, and these are from one of my favorite brands for false eyelashes. This is Araceli Beauty's Pertha Vallarta Lashes. For the lips, I wanted something bright and bold, perfect for summer. This is Kylie Cosmetics Mama Boss lipstick, and it is perfect for this look. Now for the fun part, the faux freckles. I'm using by Freck. It's called the Original Freckle Pen, and I really liked it. It was my first time using it for this video. I used to use one from Lime Crime, but they discontinued it, so I thought I'd try this one out, and I really liked it. You pretty much just dab it everywhere. You don't have to be perfect or precise, and then I use my finger to just diffuse it a little bit, and yeah, you just pretty much go crazy on your face with a bunch of little dots, and it comes out super cute. I also took that Bella sponge and diffused it a little bit more, and then I figured I needed more, and I was just having fun putting this all over my face, so I just went a little crazy with the freckles. But that's the fun thing about makeup. You could do whatever you want and have fun with it. And to complete this look, I'm just adding a highlighter, and this is from the Dragon Beauty face palette, and it is the shade Silicone. It is so pretty, so blinding, and it really just makes the freckles look even more realistic, I think. So yeah, look is complete. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this makeup tutorial. I freaking love how this look came out. The bright lip, the faux freckles, it just screams summertime. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really, truly appreciate it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.